everybody, welcome back to day 5 of Vlogmas, and today we are on our way to my parents' house. It is noon and we're just getting going. We kind of chilled this morning. I did my workout because I don't have dumbbells there, so I like to do my upper body and legs here. And then we packed it all up, ate some lunch. Ruger's somewhere back here. Oh, there he is. And I think we're gonna head to the grocery store to get a few things before we go there so that we have stuff for dinner tonight. And I don't really know what I'm gonna get up to this week, but it's supposed to have a huge snowstorm tonight, so I brought my other winter boots and let's see how much we actually get. So it's really good that we're going tonight because then my husband doesn't have to drive an hour in a massive snowstorm, so that's a good thing. Okay, we are all packed up. It is Sunday and we are heading back to my parents' house to play with Ruger first because yesterday we went on a car ride with him and he didn't get a lot of playtime and then he was whining the whole time. So we've condensed this down to 3 baskets, which is pretty good for us. We have food in there. I have all my electronics and makeup and pillow in there. And then we brought a laundry basket instead of a suitcase. I'm going to try this out and then I can just bring everything home in the basket because that's mine and Derek's clothes. So we'll see how it goes and if this is our new technique. What do you think?
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
Okay, we have the maple pumpkin oat bars that I made, some yogurt with raspberries, and a little bit of granola. Super filling breakfast. Okay, so I just got done a workout. It's still my Fitbit, yeah, 42 minutes. There's no way you can see that. 42 minutes, 287 calories. And I'm just gonna grab a little bit of water, and then I'm gonna charge my iPad and have a shower. I really need a shower. I'm gonna wash my hair, and today's just gonna show you like what I eat in a day. And so far I've only had breakfast. I would love another. But first we shower.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa.
So I just chopped up some green peppers. I'm gonna put that and some of this leftover chicken back in the pan with an egg, and that's gonna be my lunch. Having a Built Bar. And I only have this one and this one left, and then I'm all out of them. And I won't be repurchasing them because they are way too chewy, but I need to find a new one to buy. No, I used the other one. I have Instant Pot lasagna, garlic bread, and salad. Are you gonna have some?
No.
And for dessert, we have a honey apple pie.